The today events, it was the national trials. We have different teams from different countries, around 6 counties. The first one is in Nyandarua County. The second one we have Nairobi County. We also have Nakuru County, Kajiado County, and Machakos County, and Kiambu. So this selection is aiming at, we are going to train after this. We'll have a camp here in Nairobi. Then after the camp, we will go and travel to Germany for the 5th bowling championship in Deutschland, in Germany. In Kenya, we do not have such facility, so we all have to travel to Nairobi. Yeah. That is why the deaf have a challenge because of finances, to travel to Nairobi and to come to Nairobi for the training.